I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Remote desktop is enabled on your Windows PC, and you have its IP or DNS name. This matters because the iPad must reach that address. Next, install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store and grant network permissions so connections are allowed. Then, note your PC username, password, and port, usually 3389, and any VPN or gateway credentials. Once done, make sure your iPad and PC are on networks that permit RDP traffic. Now you configure the connection on the iPad. Open Microsoft Remote Desktop and tap the plus to add a PC. Enter the IP or DNS name and select or add the user account. This stores credentials for one-tap access. Adjust display resolution, sound, and clipboard sharing to suit your workflow. Lower resolution reduces lag. If your PC is remote, make sure you configure a VPN or remote desktop gateway, because direct home router exposure is risky. Once set, test the session from the same LAN to verify basics. Finish by launching the connection and learning touch gestures. Pinch to zoom, two-finger scroll, and connect an external keyboard if you type a lot. If you can't connect, first verify Windows firewall rules, port forwarding on your router, and that the remote desktop service is running. These are common culprits. Also confirm VPN or gateway settings match. If problems persist, capture an error screenshot or log, restart the PC and router, and then the iPad. Often that sequence clears session and network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.